Hi, what's up everyone? Today we are going to write a SAS program that reads in data on height, weight, age, gender, and computes a body mass index for each subject. The data is read from a text file called physical features, which I have saved in the folder C SAS learning. So let's check out the text file first. I'm going to let's go to C drive, SAS, learning, and I'm going to go to physical features. I'm going to open this data set. If you've seen my previous video, this is the same data set that I had used in that video in lesson 3. So we observe that again there are 6 observations and 4 variables. This is gender, this is the age of the subject, this is the height, and this is the weight. So weight in pounds, height in inches, and age in years, and gender, which is male and female. So we're going to use SAS to read that text file, and we are going to create a new variable called as body mass index, which has the formula as given here. So just let's begin to code. I'm going to use a data step. I'm going to name my data set as physical features. So the data step, what does it do? Here it is creates a SAS data set work dot physical features. Okay, let's give a tab. We're going to write the infile statement, and we're going to read the text file physical features. So for that, you're going to give the path /physical features dot txt and give a semicolon. What does the infile statement do? Reads the text file delimited by a space. So space is a default delimiter in SAS. Next, we're going to use the input statement to write the variables in the SAS dataset. From the dataset, we know that we have first variable as gender. It's a character variable, so I write a $. Then there is age. Then there is height, weight. Write a semicolon. Now I need to create a new variable in my SAS dataset that I'm creating. So I'm going to use an assignment statement, and I'm going to just use this relationship. So body mass index, body mass index is equal to weight divided by 2.2 times height times 0.0254 square. So this is the denominator square. So this is the relationship of BMI with respect to weight and height, which are there already present in my data set. And I'm going to say run. So I'm just going to write a comment here. The input statement is used to write variable names in SAS dataset. This is an assignment statement. Assignment statement where I create a new variable called BMI in work.physical features dataset. Okay, and this is the run statement. So I'm going to run this statement, and I get the log. I get 5 records were read from the in file. the dataset work.physicalFeatures has 5 observations and 5 variables. So notice that the text file had 4 observations, but now because of the assignment statement, we have created a 5th variable. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on libraries, I'm going to go work, library, and I'm going to go to physical features dataset. So this is how we see the body mass index was created. It is a function of height and weight, and it was created using this assignment statement. I could also give a proc print procedure is equal to PHYSICAL physical features and print this data set. So this is how the data set looks like. So just to recap this lesson, we read the text file using the infile statement. We created a new variable called as the BMI using the formula, essentially just an assignment statement, and we printed the data set. So that's it for today. I highly recommend you guys to open your SAS session and just start writing this piece of code. And that's it for now. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.